Hi dancers, I'm going to talk to you about version 4 of the colorful dance. In this version, you keep your arms going, you keep your legs going, you keep traveling, you keep those jumps, you keep those turns. Everything you've built up over version 1, 2, 3. But now in version 4, I want you to add your own style to it, so you can think about those desires your body has, stick them in. Find a way to make what you want to do fit with what I have taught. And it could be a change in energy, make something smoother, sharper, add a little decoration to something. It's like taking a plain meal and adding some spices to it. So have some fun with it, and this is your chance to make the world more colorful with you in your own way. So for this one, I put on my funky pants that express my style. I like colors and I like the galaxy. So here's my version of version 4. Yours doesn't have to look anything like this. I like to go So we'll try that with music, and you can dance along with me, do something opposite of me, do something bigger than me, feel inspired to make it your own.
Hey, I was just getting started. Take your fears and let them go. For the lovers and the broken hearted, take a deep breath, make the world a little colorful.
And now the dance is yours. You know all of it and you can do all of it. I hope you have a lot of fun. Maybe share some videos with us. Thanks so much. Crush Kids Dance.